Good morning, Year 5. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you how to convert millimeters into meters and milliliters into liters. So when we talk about measuring units per length, we always talk about meters, millimeters, and centimeters. So you have learned how to convert meters into centimeters. Now, looking at your meter at home, you will see the smallest sections on your meter or on your ruler, and those sections are actually showing you how long 1 millimeter is. Now, if you put 1000 millimeters together, you're going to have 1 meter, so that's going to be the same. So just thinking about this conversion here, try to figure out how many millimeters are there in 6 meters. And if you said that there are 6000 millimeters in 6 meters, you were correct, because simply once you converted your meter into millimeters and you have put 1000 in each of the boxes, and you count them all together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or once you have multiplied 6 by 1000, you will have a conversion in millimeters. You can do the same here. The shortest method would be to say 3000 millimeters are the same 3 meters, and I know this because I said 3 times 1000 equals 3000. So the opposite is supposed to happen here. So once you converted your millimeters into your meters, you will notice that you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 meters altogether. Now, the next question is conversion. Also a conversion where you are supposed to convert 1 liter into 1000 milliliters. 1 liter is the measuring unit for capacity. So we are actually measuring how much liquid can we pour into a container, into a bottle. So you probably at home, you all have some kind of containers that show you capacity. So go and check, for example, how many liters are there in your milk bottle or in your juice bottle, and that is going to actually show you what we mean by capacity and by using these measuring units. So as before, we are going to use double number line. So in the first line, we're going to see capacity measured in liters. So for example, if you have 5 liters, think about how many milliliters that would be. So obviously 5 times 1000 is going to be 5000 exactly. Using all these methods that are shown here, try to convert all the other measuring units given in milliliters into liters, and the other way around. The last set of questions are challenges for you. They're not going to be on a separate sheet. They're going to be here on the same sheet. So take a look at these questions, knowing everything we went through before. Try to figure out how you're going to work them out. Now, in this question, there is a little bit problem solving. So you are going to look at this you're going to look at this girl's statement, and in this statement she says that she is 1010 millimeters tall. So once you converted that into your meters, you will know the answer to the question. In the next set of questions, you also have some problem solving and reasoning. So please, you can now have a go at them. Bear in mind, here you have to convert your meters into millimeters, okay, and find out how many 30 millimeter pieces are there going to be in the string that is 2.76 meters long. So once you convert it into millimeters, it's going to be easy to do that. And in the next set of questions, remember just to work out the prices. So for example, if this container has a capacity of 250 milliliters, see how many of those you need to make 4 liters, and then how much of each is going to cost.